Let's talk about inserting architecture Revit file. Yes, we will make separate electrical project, not all in one, because I know it's possible to make MEP architecture and constructive part all in one for small objects like villas, townhouses and so on. But I want to show only electrical part, and we will make separate electrical project. From my experience, like mostly I participated in medium and large project, and it's always separate file. Where to take architecture one? So we will go to Help Autodesk. We will find this advanced sampling project right near the most popular one, but it's small for us. I will put link in a lesson description, 2 links for security reason from different sources. I downloaded this file from helpautodesk.com, and we go to Revit, we click open, we're choosing our electrical file, not architecture. And maybe you want to press audit checkbox for auditing file, and sometimes maybe it will help, but from my side, never. It will take more time, but maybe you will be lucky and Revit will find some errors for you. But we are just click open. Okay, we have our project. We go to insert a ribbon tab. We click link Revit, and we're choosing our architecture file. So here we have our architecture file, and for sure, very important moment, positioning. What we have in positioning, we have many options. We have project base point to project base point, shared coordinates, and so on. But from my experience, only by shared coordinates is the right way, because maybe I'm not participated in little project. Always it was medium with a lot of people, with BIM managers, architecture, constructive specialists. We need to coordinate somehow, and how to coordinate? Correct, by shared coordinates. Not only project base point to project base point, but by shared coordinates, because here also we have survey point. It's another type of point we should be coordinated with. We are inserting, and we have completely different coordinates in our files. It's logical. We don't have BIM manager on our project. We are alone, and we press close. And I want to show first of all what is this, like project base point and survey point. We go to most popular menu here in properties of our plan. Very important moment. You should insert your architecture file from some plan, not from schedule, not from sheets and legends, but from some plan, because otherwise you will not be able to insert something. And so we are going to most popular menu, visibility graphics overrides. You can click edit, or it's hotkeys VV or VG, my favorite one. So I'm pressing VV. Here we have visibility settings for our plan and our files. Very important menu for Revit users. We go to site, and I want to show you project base point and survey point. Click apply, click OK. And as you can see, gray one, it's a survey point of architecture project. Survey point, it's a real point in real world. And usually, like, it's nobody cares about survey point, but it's anyway, it's important. You don't know in which project you will be participating, how complicated it will be. Maybe survey point also will be the case, like for inserting file. But here we have all together, I suppose it's a project base point of our file, project base point of architecture file, and our survey point. As you can see, survey point, it's our 000. When project base point, it's again 000. By the way, how to click something if it's overlapping. And we are reading this in the left bottom corner. Click to select tab for alternates. It's a tab, it's very popular button for Revit user. So if you want to choose to pick up something overlapping, just press tab once and pick up once and pick up its architecture file. Again, once I pick up its project base point. So clicking tab helps user. I will say it many times. Clicking tab is a very good idea. So, but how to get the same coordinates as we have in architecture file? Because architecture is most important, because first we are creating architecture and then electrical engineers stepping in. When we go to manage, we go here to coordinates and acquire coordinates. And we should pick up, you see, I'm picking up my Revit link. So I picked up and coordinates acquired from advanced sample project. Close. And also very important, to pin it in our project. So choosing Revit link file and pinning it. Because if you will move something and then just a little bit, and then you will start making project, important information, and when you will start to making project with moved architecture constructive file, it will be a catastrophe at the end, because all your sockets, all your lights, everything will be moved in central model. In central model it will be catastrophe. So pinning up any files what you're uploading in your project is very important. So use pin, it's very good button. Unpin, pin, just pin. Okay, let's go next. So okay, now we have our survey point and our project base point at the same place as architecture file. Okay, what's next? You will ask. Next, we are copying our grids and levels, because grids and levels, it's the basement, it's foundation, because we should copy them for coordinating, for placing elements, for understanding what's going on, which levels we do have, and so on. So how to choose grids from architecture file again, because we didn't have any grids here, yes? So we go to collaborate, we go to copy monitor, and we're selecting link. Again, you are choosing this Revit link model, and press left button. And here we have some menu. We should press copy. And as we have many grids here, let's do it multiply. What I'm doing, I'm choosing everything like this. When I'm going to filter, and when I'm choosing check no one and choosing only grid, because picking up grid by grid separately, it will take a lot of time. Apply, okay. When we are pressing finish, wait a little bit, and where is our menu? Lost, completely lost. It's very popular from Revit, like it was just here. Where is our menu? And this color reminds you something not finished. So you should again to pick up copy monitor tab here, and then press finish. And now you see this symbol means it's copying and monitored. So monitored means if this grid will move a little bit or not a little bit in architecture file, we will have a message. Grids are not at the same place, or something like this. Okay, then we should go and copy levels. How to copy levels? We should go on some elevation to see from the different side our building. For example, east. What we have here? We have here our elevations. Some of them, you see, we have in existing electrical Revit file. This is existing. Okay, and you can, for example, delete level 2. So I'm picking up it and pressing delete. But like you see, when I'm deleting some level, I'm deleting all views from this level. Let's not do it, because anyway, we need second floor, yes? So we're pressing cancel. We are going here to align. When we are choosing this second floor level from architecture file and our level 2. So this way, we just aligned our existing level number 2 for not existing for architecture level 2. So because our levels here is matching with architecture level 1 and level 2 is matching now, but we still need a number 3 and parapet and so on. So we again go to collaborate, copy monitor, select link. We are selecting our link. We are going to copy, multiply. I'm choosing third floor when I'm pressing Ctrl and choosing other two levels. When I'm clicking finish, when I'm clicking again, you see our menu is lost. Copy monitor and finish. And again, I want to show you project base point, because like survey point, it's some point from real world, and project base point, it's some 0 point of our building. I want to show you it's here. So again, we are pressing visibility graphic override, going to site and picking up project base point. Okay, what you can see here, our project base point. Okay, and if I will start, but don't do it at home, to move project base point, you see levels are changing. It was level 0, now it's -1 feet, and up, 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 up. You see all levels is changing because of project base point. So now I hope you understand what's project base point, what is survey point, and it's very important to be coordinated with all sections of the project. So I'm making here, you see, nudge up. Up, I'm canceling it because I don't need to move project base point real. So you can actually also to pin up levels, you can also, for example, to pin up grids. I'm choosing again all grids using filter, apply OK, and pinning. When I'm choosing here all levels using filter, and again I can pin them, because moving levels, moving project base point, that is why it's hidden in originally, because if you will move project base point, it will be not very good. So I just will hide it. I will go to site and will hide project base point, survey point is hidden, click apply, click OK. Here I will do the same. So we will just hide our points for not touching them anyhow. Okay, and we are saving file. See you in next lesson.